Heal as one. What we can do to help in our own little ways. Hi, my name is Abbygale Arenas and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. Today, for the first time, I saw the video of Heal as One by our local Filipino artist, and it's just so touching. When people started to order food for our frontliners, that's the beginning of it. When designers started to design PPEs for our frontliners, when everybody was doing a fund drive to help other people, when celebrities raising funds for other people. These are the many things that has been happening in our country for almost 4 months now. And I just can't help think of some little ways that we can actually help to heal as one. Let's see, I made a list as usual. Okay, number 1, buy local. Support our local community, our local, everybody now cooks, everybody now try to produce something, everybody's selling something. Buy from our community, buy local. We have to encourage these people. It doesn't matter if it's ube pandesal, which we love here in our home. Ano yan, staple food namin yan. Delivery of Spanish bread are also a favorite. Delivery of different masks, basta local, please support. My cousin, who is actually selling sisig all the way from Angeles City, I have no idea how he does that. But anyway, he's been doing really, really good. And I'm just so happy for him. Pero the funny thing there is, he posted one FB post one time. Sabi niya, pag binentahan ka ng friend mo, wag mo naman siyang bentahan ulit. Parang, but that's the way it is, really. I found that very funny, but that's the way it is. We just have to support and help one another. Whenever there are products, please buy their products. Number 2, I would say give bigger tips to everyone who are assisting us. It can be the delivery guy, it can be the bag boy in the grocery, it can be anyone who would help you. You know, in the Philippines, napaka-normal ng 20 pesos, 50 pesos, but you know what? If you are going to give money, please make sure that it will somehow count. Please give bigger tips. I know that 100 pesos or 200 pesos, they will appreciate so much. So that's one little thing that we can do. Number 3, to those restaurants that are still open, if you see them open, please eat in that restaurant. Please at least do a takeout over, or even if it's just a sandwich, because these restaurants are actually trying to survive. Here, in our area, left and right, sarado na yung mga business. So those who are striving, please help them out. Number 4, make a donation. It doesn't matter, as long as it is legit, okay? Pero make a donation. It doesn't matter how big or how small. Now, even the young adults are doing their own share. Example, Project 19. This is a favorite. My son is actually involved in this. So what they do is they collect money to give food or a package of food for the jeepney drivers. And I find that very, very heartwarming. So imagine these kids, 18, 19 years old, ang mga edad nila, pero they are actually thinking of these jeepney drivers na walang trabaho. So make your donations and they will definitely count. Number 5, do not waste any food. Ito yon. I mean, yes, sometimes, you know, the luxury of cooking and eating and all of this, but please make sure that you do not waste any food. Here in our house, meron kaming every afternoon and lunchtime, normally we would go for tira-tira lunchtime. So every other day, we would just eat whatever is left in the fridge. So sometimes we'll have a mini buffet kasi ulam from Monday, ulam from Tuesday, or even tira on Wednesday. So that will do. So now is the time to really make tipid on everything. Check on your neighbors. I'm on number 6. Check on your neighbors. it's so nice that people would actually check on us every once in a while. Kumustahin mo lang, maybe a cup of sugar, or maybe itlog, maybe, we have come to a very simple times. I think everything is much appreciated. Just the other day, a neighbor gave me a bag of mushrooms, and I really, really appreciate it. I can feel the love, I can feel the care. So the other day, I sent out fishbowl to my neighbors naman. Just a treat, So it's really good that people are going back to this very simple ways. Number 7, support online events. Mag-attend ka naman. I mean, it's just online. It doesn't matter if it is a webinar, na dati libre, pero ngayon may bayad. As long as you will be able to support. One event that we support is a bingo night. A bingo night that is so special because it was done by the priest in our school community. So it is actually, they're doing it for mental health, because truly every Saturday it's really something to look forward to. An hour of fun, an hour of excitement. Ang premyo, simple, mga cake, minsan may Starbucks, minsan merong chicken, ganyan. But then again, the community that comes together, and then yung nakikita mo sila sa Zoom, nakikita mo yung mga mukha, nakikita mo yung mga bata, that is really, really something. So this kind of events, participate and just support this kind of events. And finally, number 8, take care of yourself. If ginagawa mo na lahat ito, but still, bottom line is, we have to take care of yourself. You do not want to be another person that has to be brought to the hospital. So please do your share. Wash your hands, make sure you have your mask on, you have your goggles on, and then you will only go out when needed, when it is essential. So please do take care of yourself. So I just hope and pray that these tips will help us heal as one. Once again, my name is Abbygale Arenas, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you. And if you have comments or questions or even suggestions, please write them on the box below. All right, so stay safe, everyone, and stay healthy, and keep helping people, and keep showing kindness to everyone. This is exactly what we need now. Be kind to everyone. Bye. Thanks.